Hi, I'm Darrell Stafford with Catalysis Additive Tooling, and probably one of the most frequent questions we get is how many parts can you get off your tool? A really good question. Our tools are 100% isotropic in strength, meaning it's the same strength X, Y, and Z, so we never have a delamination issue. Other 3D printed technologies, plastic for example, the Z direction, you will have delamination as you start thermoforming with the heat input in the tool. It will delaminate. We've never had that problem. We made thousands of tools. So we want to have a little fun with our 3D printed tooling. We made an axe. This is actually made out of our binder jet printing technology with our proprietary resin package. And we split wood with it. You know, that's not a thermoforming operation, but it shows the toughness and durability of our tooling. It's basically silica sand, which is very hard. 85D scale is our tool hardness, so there's no degradation or delamination. So yeah, if you have any other questions or anything, get a hold of me and we can chat.